Hi folks, Patrick here at Fields BMW Daytona Beach. Just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys how to use the front and rear lens cleaning on the BMW iX. So what you're going to want to do is when the car is on, put your foot on the brake, put it in reverse, and the camera system comes up here. And you just go to the More option, and then you're going to get camera cleaning. So from here you can do both front or rear, and if you click the front one, this is what will happen. And it will spray the front lens, so I'll give you a view of that on the outside of the car here. And if you hit rear, it'll obviously do the rear one. So that's just a fun little thing to do, and if your cameras ever get dirty, you can always use that to help clean up your view. So if you have any questions, feel free to come on in at Fields BMW Daytona Beach. Have a great rest of your day.